Welcome to the Volvo video, my 2003 XC90, and in this video I'm going to be changing the door mirror. So I managed to damage this door mirror, and at first I thought, oh, it'd be just a matter of replacing the glass, but on closer inspection, there you go, there's the glass that's damaged, and some of the gubbins. Unfortunately, there's been a bit more damage to the gubbins. I mean, this part, it's broken off completely, so I thought rather than messing around trying to super glue it and fit a new glass, I thought I'll just bite the bullet, get a complete replacement mirror assembly. So that's exactly what I've done. So as ever, eBay to the rescue, and I've picked this up today. So I think the first thing I need to do is retrieve my keys from the ignition, because I left them in there, which wouldn't be a good thing. My bloody GoPro battery's died. It's lucky I had a spare, otherwise I'd have to wait till it's charged. But I don't have a knife with me, so I'll just open up. So you get an unboxing as well. So just, let's have a look. And should have brought a knife out when I got two big knives on, folding Stanley knives on my desk. So this one, it cost me 65 quid on eBay, which wasn't bad. Like it says, as ever, eBay to the rescue. Excellent source of genuine used parts, and usually better than an aftermarket new part. So just take this off, and there's our door mirror complete, and it looks to be the same as the other one. Yep, I think we're looking good, yeah. And hopefully the connectors should be the same. So yeah, that's looking good. So well worth 65 quid delivered. So it's just a matter of getting this one off. And to do that I need to take this panel off, this speaker panel, and this door card. So to be honest, I did have a quick look in Ains manual, and the first thing I need to do is to prise this off. Now I've got my trim tools here, because it says to use trim tools. So hopefully this should be up to the job. So first thing to do is prise this handle off. I'm not sure how this comes out. Let's have a look. I think I really need to get a better set of trim tools. So just to prise it off. This should come off somehow. It just lift out. No, it doesn't. But Ains does say to remove this bit, so I think I'm struggling a bit. I need to do this off camera, so I'll come back to you whenever I show you get it off. Not for sure yet how I did it. Right, good news, I think I've managed to get it started. You got to get under here, just work it out. So I'm definitely getting somewhere. And there we go. That's that liberated, and there's a couple of torque screws. That should be the only thing securing this panel on, apart from clips around the outside. So I get the correct size Torx. I'm not sure, it's probably T20, because most fixings are T20 on modern cars. Well, I was wrong about that. It was a T25 actually for those two screws. So it should be just a matter of popping off the door panel. I probably won't even need trim tools. I'll just sit you guys down, put you on the floor or something, or maybe move some stuff out of the way. Let's have a look in here. Have you a funky angle on the centre console? So it should be just a matter of popping everything. Oh. Still may need to use trim tools. Sorry if you don't. So it says there's no other fixings. There we go. It's probably not been taken off since the car left the factory line, but I need to remove this. So see if I can unclip this wire for the tweeter, and then so still one fixing that seems to be fighting me at the moment, but I think that should give me enough room to get to the wiring for the mirror. Yes, it does, and there's like a Christmas tree fitting for this cable. Let's see if I can get it out. I'll just show you. So there, I've cheated enough room to get to this wiring. And it should be just a matter, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry if you can't, but let's see, I really need to get a better trim tool set. Oh, well, that's the panel out of the way. Yep. So you can see there's all the wiring. Oh, I thought that were for this, so just a matter of unclipping the wiring and then just undoing that nut. And that, I think that'll be a 13. So I'll just grab a socket and get it undone. And this time I was right, it is a 13mm. So just undo the nut. I mean, I could use my small impact, but I thought I won't bother. Because not everybody has an impact. So this should balance quite nicely. And there you go. Just need to feed this cable through. Let's have a look. And that's in the way. Oh, sorry for the funky angle. Just need to remember to feed the cable for the tweeter through there. And there we go. That's a door mirror liberated. I think I'll probably give that a bit of a clean before I fit the replacement. Now on these cars, this temperature sensor is supposed to be located in here. And I'll tell you what, while we compare them, yep, they're the same. There's even a part number as well. Yeah, all part numbers are different, but it's usually the case throughout the run, but it's still the same actual part. So I'll get the replacement one and get that fitted. So my replacement's ready to fit. I've cleaned up round there and try to show it as best as I can. So I'm sorry if it doesn't work out. Oops, I don't know whether you're going to see this, so my apologies. Let's have a look. Hopefully that should work. Stay. Get this nut started. There we go, got the nut started, so just do it up. Right, just make sure it's yep, all the way in. There we go, just nip it up. I need to feed that through there. Right, I'll just reconnect everything for now, and then I just need to test it, make sure everything's working. So I'm going to put the you can either turn the ignition on, start the engine up, so we'll test this mirror. It's hard to tell. Oh, the camera's gone wrong. Oh dear. Doesn't always go smoothly. Right, there's no easy way to test this. But I need to test it with the door panel hanging off. So let's see a bit. Yes, I can see the mirror moving, so that's working. Yep, that's all good. So that's all working. Right, I want to test the puddle light. I should be able to do this on the fob. You can turn the lights on. Let's have a look. Yep, puddle light's working. And also, contains a temperature sensor located in the left door mirror. Yep, and we're reading the temperature, which 13 degrees Celsius. I'll tell you what, I'll double check it with the Merc. Yep, that's reading 18. So I'm not sure if that's correct. So what I'll do is I'll plug the old mirror in again, see what temperature we get. Just make sure that that's correct. I'm not so sure if that temperature's right. So I'll come back to you and see what it says, because so I've plugged the other mirror back in temporary. It's reading same, so yeah, I'm happy with that. So yep, that's pretty much a confirmed fix. Everything's working. So just have button this little lot up and then we're done. So I've got it all buttoned up, and one thing I forgot to test, and I should have done it before I put door panels on, see if mirrors will fold in, and they do, so that's a result. So all I need to do is just adjust this mirror. Oops. So yep, that's all looking good. Yep, well I'm happy with that. So another successful fix, a confirmed fix. So hope you enjoyed this one. It's not a job I expected to do, but unfortunately I managed to damage the mirror, so it had to be replaced. And it's amazing how much you miss a door mirror, even if it's just one on the opposite side of where you're driving. It's amazing how much you rely on it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.